Hey guys, I'm back with a very interesting topic to educate my viewers. Please help me share this video, so that other gets to see it, and please subscribe to my channel to get more of these awesome videos. Note, please check engine cover or your car's manual for guidance. But with this video, I will be running through with over 30 popular cars used in Nigeria and the recommended oil for them. Toyota Corolla 2008 uses 5W30. Toyota Corolla 2009 uses 0W20, and 5W20 fully synthetic. Toyota Corolla from 2010 to 2015 uses 0W20. Toyota Corolla from 2015 up uses 0W20, and 5W20. Honda Accord 2002 to 2011 use 5W20, fully synthetic, V4 and V6. Honda Accord 2011 to 2022 uses 0W20 fully synthetic, V4 and V6. Honda Civic 2003 to 2011 use 5W20 fully synthetic. Honda Civic 2012 to 2015 uses 0W20, fully synthetic. Honda Crosstour 2010 to 2015 uses 0W20, fully synthetic. Honda CR-V 2003 to 2009 uses 5W20. Honda CR-V 2009 to 2020 uses 0W20. Honda Pilot 2003 to 2011 uses 5W20. Honda Pilot 2012 to 2020 uses 0W20. Mercedes-Benz C-Class Oil types 5W20, 5W30. Mercedes-Benz GLK Oil types 5W20, 5W30, synthetic, conventional synthetic, high mileage. Mercedes-Benz GLE oil types 5W20, 5W30. Mercedes-Benz ML350 uses 5W30, 0W30, 0W40, 5W40, fully synthetic. For gasoline engines uses oil specifications of SAE 0W40, 0W30, 5W40 and 5W30. Volkswagen from 2005 to 2015 with oil specifications of VW504 uses 0W30. Hyundai Sonata uses conventional oil, 5W20. Hyundai Elantra and Kia uses 5W20. Stick with the recommended oil for your car. I would advise you use high mileage oil if your car have high mileage. Volkswagens that falls under the VW504 can go for up to 10,000 miles before require oil change. Also with these German cars, and BMW, Japanese cars, can go for up to 3,000 to 5,000 miles before require oil change. But please stick to 2,000 to 3,000 miles to get more efficiency. I hope this video help you. Please do share.